Have you ever thought of automating your trading game and setting up automated bots which are trading for you? Guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can set up various trading bots over on Bybit, and I'm also going to set up my own trading bot and I'm going to share my results with you at the end of this video. But first of all, guys, why should you use a trading bot? Well, as you might know, most traders, they are actually losing money even though they have a profitable trading strategy, because they simply can't handle their emotions. And when you are creating a trading bot which is trading automatically, you basically separate your emotions from that trading execution, which makes it more easier to handle with trading because your emotional state is not in the game. So that is one thing, your emotions are not that involved as you are sitting yourself in front of the monitor. That brings me to the second reason. When you are trading yourself, you often have to monitor the charts very often. And if you have a trading bot, it can execute trades even while you are asleep. So guys, let's jump straight into it. Bybit is offering 3 different types of trading bots, and the first one is a spot grid trading bot. The second one is a DCA trading bot, a dollar cost averaging trading bot, and the third one is a futures grid trading bot. So what is a spot grid trading bot? Well, the name already says it. A grid are certain parameters of levels which automatically are being bought and sold whenever Bitcoin is reaching that price on the spot market. So you can use this trading bot, for example, if Bitcoin dips at certain levels, you will automatically buy, and when Bitcoin goes up, you will automatically sell. First of all, to set up these trading bots, you need a Bybit account. You can find the link down below in the description to Bybit. If you join Bybit with that specific affiliate link, you will enjoy some extra benefits too. To set up a spot grid trading bot, you go to Bybit, to the trading bot section, then you click on spot grid right here. That will bring you to the following page where you can choose between a artificial intelligence strategy or a manual strategy. So at the AI strategy, you can see that they already predetermined the price range, the amount of grids, the interval per grid, right here, also the profit per grid. The grid profit ratio, which is roughly 2% per year, is not that much, but it's not too less either, right? This is the spot market we're talking about. You have lower risk, therefore you have lower gains as well. Drawdown ratio of roughly -4% is also showing that this is actually quite safe. If you want to set all these things yourself, you can of course put that manually. So you can set, for example, right here, the lower range is $20,000 and the upper range is $40,000. Then within this range, you want to have maybe 25 grids, let's say like that. So per grid you have an interval of $800 tether with a profit grid of 2 to 4%. Here you can select the amount of money you basically want to invest. If you would like AI to fill in these parameters, you can just click right here on AI strategy and it will basically fill in the price range and grids for you based on AI. And right here in the advanced settings, you can even set an entry price where you want the bot to buy your Bitcoin. You can set a stop loss, so whenever Bitcoin is trading below that specific level, it will sell the Bitcoin, and you can set a take profit as well. When Bitcoin is trading or hitting this level, it will sell and basically will take profit. And do take in mind, guys, you can do this for every single trading pair that is available on Bybit on the spot market. So you can do this for Bitcoin, Ethereum, but for many other tokens as well. So what are the advantages of a spot grid trading bot? First advantage, guys, is the automation. Whenever you are not in front of your computer, this trading bot is still buying and selling Bitcoin. So you still get exposure to profits even though you're not actively participating in the markets and you're not even in front of the computer. That brings me to the second reason, guys. There are no emotions involved in this particular trading strategy. You either set it up manually or using AI, and once it's set up, the bot will trade and you are not emotionally involved whenever you have to make a trading decision. And the other advantage when you are using a spot grid trading bot is that there is very low risk. You cannot get liquidated. You are using the spot market, so the chances that you will be profitable in the longer term time frame, especially in USD terms, is very, very high. But the downside of this trading strategy is that you don't get exposure to a lot of gains, because trading on the spot market has lower risks but also therefore lower gains. Then we go to the second trading bot, which is the DCA Trading Bot, and DCA stands for dollar cost averaging. And what this trading strategy basically does, it buys Bitcoin for you per interval that you choose. So if you want to buy a little bit of Bitcoin every single day, you can let this bot buy it for you. But you can also, for example, set the parameters on every single week or every single month, and then this bot will buy Bitcoin at that specific interval. So if you look at it from a longer term time frame perspective, you will get an average entry for that period of time that you always have been buying Bitcoin. To create this trading bot, guys, you simply click on DCA, you select if you want to DCA with US dollar Tether or USDC, then you select the amount of US dollar Tether you want to put in that specific token. You can change this token as well to anything you want. You can add crypto, so you can do multiple DCA strategies for different cryptos. Then you select your investment frequency. You can set it on 1 day, you can even set it on every hour, 1 week, 2 weeks, even on 4 weeks, whatever you want. Then below that you can select the maximum investment that you want to put in these tokens. And it is very interesting, guys, if you don't like the volatility of Bitcoin and you just want to safely invest in Bitcoin over the long-term time frame, basically, then this is a very good strategy because it cut out all the volatility, right? If you buy on a certain day when Bitcoin is high, a couple of weeks later Bitcoin is low, if you bought all your Bitcoin or another token at this level, you will not have the best entry because maybe a couple of weeks later the price is lower. But if you spread that initial buy-in over a course of different time frames and Bitcoin's volatility is high, low, and you buy at all these different time frames, you basically get an average price over a certain amount of time frame. So this is a very safe way of investing in Bitcoin automatically over on Bybit. So why should you invest through Bybit DCA trading bots? Well, guys, this is the most easy way to do DCA. Otherwise you would have to do it manually. At a certain time you got to buy Bitcoin. Now you can completely automate it, so you don't think about it. I think Bybit really offers the best platform to DCA into Bitcoin, and the good thing is you don't even have to pay fees for using the service. It is completely for free. And if you so far learned something in this video and you find this interesting, what I'm talking about, guys, make sure to scroll below this video and smash up the like button. If you have any questions so far, make sure to drop them in the comment section and I will answer them as soon as possible. That brings me to Bybit's last trading bot option, and that is a futures grid bot. And guys, this is going to be very interesting, and we are going to invest in this futures grid bot as well, and I'm going to show you the results that I'm booking using this specific trading strategy. So what is a futures grid bot? Well, guys, basically it's the same as a spot grid bot, only you can trade this one with leverage. So these are predetermined levels. With Bitcoin hitting these levels, you automatically short and long Bitcoin. So what are the advantages of a futures grid trading bot? First of all is the automation again, guys. Your trading goes automatically. The second one is the removal of emotions. The third one is access to leverage, which you don't have on the spot market. And the fourth one is that you can make consistent profits in a sideways market. Because of these grids, when Bitcoin's price is basically moving sideways, you can still earn money. So if you click on create futures grid bot, you can see again that it looks quite similar to the one from the spot grid trading bot. However, the APR is already very, very different, right? I mean, the APR on the spot market was around 2%, 2 to 4%, and right here we already see a APR of over 50%. Then you can choose here again if you want to use an AI strategy or if you want to set the parameters manually. I would personally choose for an AI strategy. Then you can click on neutral if you want to long or short both. and you can click on these ones if you only want to long or only want to short. We are going to do neutral right here. Then you can see that the price range is already predetermined by the artificial intelligence. Then you can select the investment, and here you can already see the minimum is 169. We have an available balance in our account right here, 67. So we need to transfer some funds from our derivatives or spot account into this trading bot account. So now the spot funds are transferred to the funding account, and right now we can set here, for example, a 1,000 US dollar Tether investment. Then you click right here on create now, confirm, and now we have the trading bot live with an investment of 1,000 US dollar Tether. And yeah, we have to let this bot run a little bit by itself, and I will show you in some time what are the results of this trading bot. And guys, before I'm going to show you the results, if you don't have an account yet over on Bybit, this is your unique chance, because if you create an account using the affiliate link down below in the description, you will get massive benefits. First of all, you can get a deposit bonus from Bybit itself up to 30,000 US dollars. And next to that, if you are an active trader under our affiliates, you can apply for WhaleAlerts, which is the private Telegram channel where you can receive extra information on the cryptocurrency market. And guys, do take in mind that all of these benefits are only possible when you join with the specific affiliate link down below in the description. So guys, the results after 1 day and 4 hours are quite impressive, because we made a profit of $7 US on an investment from 1,000 US dollars. I think that's quite a lot, so I'm quite impressed. This bot already made 24 profitable trades in roughly 1 day. Guys, I really think that these trading bots are a powerful tool to use for your trading, and you can also view it a little bit like risk management, right? If you are only trading by yourself, you actually have quite a high risk as you only rely on yourself. But if you diversify in strategies, so you do a little bit of DCA, you do a little bit of futures grid trading, you do maybe a little bit of spot grid trading, you are trading yourself as well, you are diversifying your risk in different strategies, which is also better for your risk management. I also think that the automated trading bots are a very great tool to eliminate emotions in your decision making, and it's awesome that you can choose your own risk, right? If you don't want to use that much risk, you just use a spot. If you really want to limit your risk, you just want to invest, you use DCA. But if you want to get exposure to a little bit more gains, a little bit more risk, you can use a futures grid trading bot. So guys, all in all, it is a great service of Bybit. It runs super smoothly, and I'm definitely going to use this more in the future. Then guys, I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, you learned anything, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. And yeah, if you don't have an account yet on Bybit, make sure to join Bybit with the affiliate link down below. I want to wish every single one of you a beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.